Okay, I'm starting it. Now, you don't have to be perfect. Just tell me what you think. Okay, what is chemistry?
Chemistry is a basic thing of science.
Uh-huh.
So that if...
What does it study?
Let's just cut to where you said I had to say over. Okay, Mom?
Well, what do you have to study when you study chemistry?
Science, you have to study chemicals.
Chemicals? Okay,
All
what?
kinds of chemicals.
All kinds of chemicals.
Yes.
Like what?
Chemicals that are in what things are made of, but not technology. Glass, plastic, stickers, anything like that of what they're made of and what chemical they use.
Wow. Okay, yeah, that's true. Good job, Zane. That was really good. That was a good explanation. I like it. Okay, then what is an acid? You know, we were talking about acid-base chemistry and how they react with each other. So what's an acid?
An acid is something that uses H+, and if you drop some on your finger, you don't have time to wash it off because it'll immediately, whatever part of your body it's on, it'll burn that spot.
Oh.
You won't have skin there anymore.
Oh, gosh. Is that all acids or just some of them?
All acids.
Well, what about, remember the acids that we use, what about lime juice? Does that burn through our skin?
No.
No? But it's still an acid, right?
Yes.
But what's different about that acid? Maybe it's not as...
It's not...
As, like, strong, or...
It's not as strong as other acids.
Oh, so we're using not super strong acids. Okay, okay. What about bases? What are bases?
Bases are something
Put your foot down from the table. Okay, tell me what bases are.
Bases are something that uses OH minus.
Uh-huh.
But they can still burn you. And so, for an example, if bleach is dripping through the top of your roof at your house, if it lands on your skin, you have time to wash it off. It will just keep getting hotter and hotter, but it doesn't do that with heat.
Is that from personal experience?
Yes. Because my mom is taking this van, she made me dip my finger in bleach.
Zane!
Come on!
I wanted you to feel the texture. I said, what does a base feel like? It feels what?
Hot.
No, it doesn't feel hot. It feels slimy, remember?
Gooey.
It feels gooey. We washed it off like right after. We were at the sink. What else is a kind of base? Remember they said that sometimes things to clean with, so what else?
Car detergent, all kinds of things you can clean with.
Like, that's good, yeah. Okay, so we use...
Except for water.
Except for water. Water is what? What's right in the middle? It's not
neutral.
It's neutral. Very good. So it doesn't really react, does it?
It just changes colors.
It changes.
And flavin is the one that changes the colors. So if you're doing an experiment with red cabbage or purple cabbage or any kind of cabbage, flavin is in the cabbage and you take the juice and pour it into a bowl and let it sit because it could melt your test tube.
What could? Oh, you're talking about when we mix the bleach and stuff and the acids? Oh, no. When we boiled it? You mean when we boiled the cabbage? Oh, because the plastic was going to melt if we put the boiling cabbage in there. So we put it in what kind of jar to keep it?
A wine jar.
A wine jar. You want to show us in the fridge? Show me what it looks like.
It's private.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's really not. I have to get out the water.
Get out the water. Oop. What is that? What color is that?
Purple.
It's purple. And what is flavin? It's a type of what?
Chemical.
It is, but what does it do?
Changes colors.
Whenever what happens? Does it just change by itself?
No, you have to add an acid or base.
Oh, otherwise it'll...
just stay the same.
Okay, okay. So then, if you add an acid to that, what color does it change? Do you even remember? You might have to do it again.
Hot pink.
Hot pink? Oh, okay. And if it's a base, what color does it change?
Green, light yellow green, or blue green or blue.
Ah, okay. So you use an indicate. Oh, I just gave you the word. What is it called?
An indicator.
An indicator, and an indicator does what?
Changes colors like lightning.
Okay. So we made an indicator. We made an indicator out of what?
Red cabbage.
Out of red cabbage. How did we make it? Did we just stick red cabbage in that bottle?
No.
No?
We had to boil it.
We had to boil it. Okay. Oh, I'll let you put that back. Okay, so in our experiment, what is our plan? What are we going to do? What are we going to do?
See if, I forgot.
You forgot. What are we using in our experiment, though? Zane?
All kinds of acids and baking soda.
Baking soda. And are we going to test the baking soda with bases also? You remember? Because why? We just want to make sure that we're right in our assumption. What are we making?
Yeah.
What was the basis of this idea? Where did you get the idea from? What did we originally want to make?
Baking soda volcano.
The baking soda volcano.
But they said we couldn't bring a bottle.
Well, we might be able to bring a... I think they meant a model, like if you're researching volcanoes, you can't bring a volcano model. They want you to actually do an experiment. So we can maybe still do it.
We can do it, but we just can't make them all and just say, this is how it works, and just put baking soda and lime juice or vinegar in there.
Right. Hey,
Yay, it works.
you might give away our little secret twist that we're going to put in the experiment. What's our secret ingredient that we're going to use, the last one?
Lime juice.
Do you think it's going to react with the baking soda?
We already did it, okay?
Yeah. You're not supposed to tell people. Didn't we do it just to see what would happen?
Yes.
So we want to see if it's going to happen again or if it was just a fluke, right?
Yep.
Yep.
Oh,
Okay, so now we got to we're writing our science paper. Zane, show me your science paper.